Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing super fabulous this week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome little punk hat. It came out so cute, you guys, and it looks so good with what I'm wearing. Yes, it does. Let's get started. To get started, grab a hat, any old hat. Yours can be black, mine is pink. I am not feeling this brown belt that the hat came with. Your girl's a little extra, so I grabbed a pink sparkly one from the Target Kids department. So now I have to fit my belt to my hat. So I'm wrapping it around and marking where the buckle is going to touch. Then I'm going to poke my hole. Put your belt around your hat to make sure it'll fit and then trim off the end. Time to figure out where my spikes are going to go. These spikes I'm using are from studsandspikes.com. I've decided to do 1 spike per 1 inch. 1 is more, not better. Grab a leather hole puncher to punch those holes where your spikes are going to go. Get yourself a screwdriver and screw those babies in. Once you have your belt finished, this is where I am sewing to secure my belt to the hat. I'm using a pink thread that matches the thread of the hat so it doesn't stand out. I found this wicked cute skull patch on Amazon and I knew I had to have her on my hat. You guys, we need some hardware, some big ass safety pins. You can buy these in packs of like 50 or 100 off of Amazon. And these are good for so many things, so many cute different projects. They're just perfect to have around. This is a necklace I got off of Temu that had cute little crosses dangling from it. I thought this would look cute on my hat, so I'm taking my little jewelry pliers and I am dissecting this baby. I want to add some grommets for the little crosses to dangle from, so I need to cut a couple holes in the hat for my grommets to go through. Here I'm using my grommet setter. It's kind of working, but not really, so I gotta finish it off with scissors. Now I'm setting my grommets. I'm using like my big table press, but you can buy a cheap little grommet setter off of Amazon and you just use a little mallet or a hammer to hammer in those grommets. So now I'm connecting my little dangly crosses to my grommets. And here we go, guys, your cute little wide-brimmed punk hat. If you're not the talk of the town, you sure will be now. Don't forget to subscribe for more upcycling and punk DIYs.